Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to distribute lines evenly in InDesign. Let's get started. At first, open your Adobe InDesign software. Then open your document. Then firstly select the all line and go to the Windows menu and go to the object and layout and click align. Then you can see here are the all line. Now I am drag and select the one line and click distribute horizontally space. Now a line is distributed. Now you can see now I'm another this line then again select the line and click distribute horizontally space. Now I can see distribute line evenly in InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.